Hello friends, today also we can start on with the information and communication technology. Today we are going to deal with only three subtopics of information and communication technology, that is classification of computers, memory storage units and language processors. Okay, so these are the small units of ICT. So let us start our class. First, the classification of computer. You have heard different types of computers are available for us. So first one is PC. You have seen this word PC in lot of terms in the computer connected languages or somewhere. So we can see that what is meant by PC, that is the personal computer. Okay, that is moderately powerful microprocessor. It is for personal computer, means it is for one person we are using it, and its microprocessing is very less. It's not connected to any other computers, so it is considered as the personal computer. Okay, it's moderately powerful. That is the specialty of it. Next is workstation. It is also using by single user. Here also workstation is also handling by one person, and more powerful than the that is PC. It is more powerful than the PC. Okay, but it is using by the single person itself. That is the specialty of workstation. Next is mini computer. Mini computer, that is multi-user computer. Multi-user means it has more users than the personal computer, and it supports hundreds of users. A lot of person can use it, so it is known as the mini computer. Okay, so hundreds of users can support it. Can help a lot of people to use the computer, so it is known as the mini computer. Okay, mini, you don't think it is small. It is multi. Mini, here it is multi-purpose one. Next is mainframe. That is multi-user. It is also a multi-user computer. Different processes are doing through the computer, so it's also multi-user computer. Mainframe, supporting hundreds of users. It's also supporting a lot of people. And software technology is very different from that of other three computers we have already told. There is PC we told about, workstation we talk about, and mini we talk about, and it is mainframe is very different from the software. Is very different from other computers. Next is supercomputers. This is what we hear the nowadays. Okay, extremely fast computers. Now it is very fast. Nowadays it's very fast, and the size of the computers also changes. Execute hundreds of millions of instructions per second. Per second, so a lot of instructions are doing by the computer. Okay, in the ancient times, or what we say before a lot of years back. Okay, when it started, it is not too much fast. It is very slow, and it is not multi-purpose things. Now it become too fast. That is known as the super computers. So five type classifications of a computer. It's a five types. Okay. Next is memory storage units. What are the memory storage units? Usually they ask the question from this side. Okay. Bit. Okay. We can see bit is the smallest form. Okay. Nibble is 4 bits. When it become 4 bits together, it become a nibble. Okay. 4 bits together, it become a nibble. If it is 8 bits, then it become byte. Okay, 8 bits, it become byte. The smallest unit which represents data. It is the smallest unit representing the data. Data content is, we can usually say in the bits. Okay, so byte is the smallest unit. Smaller than byte, it is the bit. Then word. In a word, 8 to 96 bits can be seen. In a word, we can see 8 to 96 bits. Store information in words. When you store the words, it come 8 to 96 bits. Then next to that come the kilobyte. Okay, 1024 bytes is there in it, in the kilobytes. So that is usually they ask the questions from this side. Okay, kilobytes is equal to 1024 bytes, and megabytes is equal to 1024 kilobytes. Next gigabyte. Okay, not it's gigabytes. It is 1024 MB. Okay, that is the unit of gigabytes. Then next is terabyte. It is 1024 gigabytes. Then petabytes. It is 1024 terabytes. Okay, so you study the order of it: kilobytes, gigabytes, terabytes, then petabytes. Like that, you have to study order. Okay. Kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, and petabytes. Bit is that smallest one is the bit, then there come the bytes. Nibble is in between that. That is 4 bits become the nibble. Next is language processor. Okay, what are the language processors we are using in the computer? First one is the assembler. It converts assembly language into machine language. What the language it is converted into machine language is by the assembler. So what is assembler? It is something that converts the language into machine language. Next is interpreter. Interpreter, you know, it is converts the hill. That is a high level language. HLL means high level language is converted. It is programmed into machine language line by line. Interpreter, this difference is that it interprets line by line. Okay, interpretation is by the line by line. And compiler converts the HLL. HLL means high level language program into machine language in entire manner. Entire manner means not line by line. As such, it will interpret it. That is what is doing in the compiler. So difference between the interpreter and compiler is that interpreter is doing the conversion line by line. Compiler is not by line. It converts as such to the next level. That is the machine language. So I think today's class is very small. You are very clear about all these topics. I think so. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. We can meet on the next class. Okay, goodbye all of you.